On parle toujours du duo.
You always hear people speaking of the duo, man and machine. But with the A-18, you might almost speak of a trio, because the computer is the interface between the man and the machine.
Il amène une ouverture.
This computer unlocks the machine's capacities. Its capacities to climb are phenomenal, almost to the point of defying the laws of physics.
On arrive.
The computer link between the man and the aircraft means you can make the machine climb back down whilst flying backwards, stop at high altitude, make it flip over or change direction. The pilot gives the command, the computer calculates how many degrees it takes for the controls to execute the turn. The whole job of the pilot is to push things as far as possible whilst respecting the limits. The pilot must trust his controls, and he can be increasingly confident that the information he's receiving is correct. There are 2 or 3 controls that indicate the same thing. In managing all this information, cockpit management, you can check that all the information supplied is correct. With these high-tech planes, the systems function so much faster than man. So much information is processed. So the problem lies in how to manage all this data, the sheer quantity of it.
Okay, à tout à l'heure, merci. Allez, bon.
Le FA-18 a d'énormes
The
capacités.
FA-18 has enormous technical capacities.
Il vole vite,
It is long range and flies high and fast.
à la hauteur des autres pays.
With the FA-18, the Air Force has found a dignified European role for Switzerland, one that entails being a proper partner for the various European air forces.
Approximately 1745. Plan on 1745.
Les menaces actuelles font
With the current threat still there, though less visible, with dangers less obvious calling on means that are difficult to control, communication technologies, networks and the internet, the FA-18 is an appropriate response in its own field of securing our airspace.
donne une bonne réponse dans le domaine de la sûreté de l'espace aérien.